Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can follow someone on Shoppay. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Shoppay app, and now once you open it, you'll be able to see make sure you are already logged in as well. And now right after that, you can see the interface or dashboard of the Shoppay apps on in the screen. So now if you want to follow someone, then let's say you can see there is lots of brands in this dashboard. So let's say I want to follow this Metal Creations. So you simply need to tap on the follow, which is at the right side of the brand name. So once you tap on it, you will be able to follow this successfully. And if you want to follow someone specific, then what you can do is you can see there is search bar. Search icon at the bottom of this dashboard. So let's tap on the search icon. And now you can search in here, and let's say women's clothing for now, and you can simply tap on any of them. Let's say this one. And finally you can see there is comfort at the top left corner of this section. So you simply need to tap on that one, and now finally tap on the follow, which is at the top. So once you tap on it, you'll be able to follow this specific brand successfully. So basically this is how you can follow someone on Shoppay. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this pretty helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.